Page 22, Ballad. I'd like to point out a few things here. This is in the key of G major again. All the F's are sharp unless they have natural signs. I'm going to start out with the right hand. Your G position. And counting wise, this should not be a problem. There's no eighth notes or nothing. It's just a 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you have a B flat in there. Remember the rules for accidentals? It applies to the rest of the measure. Yeah. So that second B is also a B flat. Second line, we're back to B natural again because that flat from that other measure only applies to that measure. That's it. So we're B natural. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're back to the B flat again, and the second B is also flat because it's in the same measure. Fourth line, look out. We got to go up and put your fourth finger on the D. You can do it one of two ways. You hear from the previous measure, it's a different phrase. You're going to lift up, and as you lift up, you can move. Or you can lift up and just reach your fourth finger out. And then once you do, claps the hand. I think it's better if you lift up and move. 1, 2, 3. Look at that third measure. We have an E flat. Sounds great. E flat, E natural, C. Next measure is a B flat, now a B natural. They put a natural sign in. If they didn't have the natural sign, it'd be another B flat. So the last line is a little tricky, but you can get that. Work it out carefully. In the left hand, you just got the primary chord. You got a 1 chord, third measure over, 4 chord. And that's pretty much it. Just 1 chord and 4 chord. They put in a DS al fine. Look at the bottom. The last line at the end is a DS al fine, not fine. Fine, where this is Italian. DS means go back to the sign. The sign is that squiggly thingamajigger at the beginning of the second line. You see it above the staff? That's the sign. So you're going to go back to there. Al fine means go to fine. Fine is at the end of the second line. You see above the staff it's got fine? Sometimes you'll see fine at the bottom. It doesn't matter if it's above or below. That's where it is. That's where it is. Most of the time it's going to be above the staff. So the roadmap for this is we're going to play all 3 lines. Then we're going to go back up and play the second line again. Dynamic wise, the first line is soft, and that's the melody. That's the right hand. So the melody, you got to figure out how soft is the melody. However soft that is. You're going to make the left hand softer than that. We want to hear the melody. That's what's important. Don't play them the same. No. Play the melody louder. Second line, you're medium loud, so you got up a little bit louder. And the third line, you're loud. So now let them have it. Melody is loud. And the left hand can get a little louder, but it's still got to stay under the melody. Then you go back to the second line, you're just medium loud, so you got to come down a little bit. Let's try this out slowly together. I'll give us 4 counts since it's in common time. Your right hand's here, the left hand's here, you're in G position. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. line